Hello guys, welcome to my channel code&chill. In this video we will discuss about how you can install pip on your system if you don't have one and how you can set it up. So first of all, before starting, let me introduce you to pip. Pip is actually a Python package manager which is used to install various modules and packages in Python. Different modules like SciFi, Pandas, NumPy, these are external libraries. We need to install them in a local system to use them. And pip is actually the package manager which does all that. There can be various reasons you don't have pip already installed, or you may have broken pip. So I will share with you a quick tip and process so for which can help you to install pip on your system. Let us go over to the Chrome, and I already have the official website of the pip documentation. If you see over here, pip documentation version 24, it is pip.py.io. So I will provide this link in the description for your quick access. You can see you can install it in various steps, and also there are multiple methods to install pip. I will show you one of the quick ways. If you see there is ensure pip, this is actually a module itself which you can directly run to install pip in your environment. And another method is using a file get-pip.py. So this is the actual link which can help you to download the script. This is actually bootstrap.pypa.io. So this is the entire file. What you can do is just copy the entire thing, entire script. This is a Python script, and just copy it in a local web editor, browser web editor, like install pip.py. This is my file, and I have made another file get-pip.py. Just paste the entire code over here and rename it as get-pip.py or anything that you wish for, and then simply run it. Over here it's written, simply run the Python file python get-pip.py. So once you run it, it will automatically install the Python pip package for you. So I'm in the same folder. Let me just quickly run it. Python get-pip.py. So this is a file. If you simply run it, it will start the package manager installation. Yeah, as you can see, it is collecting pip, and since I already have pip, it will uninstall my already present one and renew it with the latest one. So this is how you can install pip, and once it is done, you can use pip as a normal package manager as you like it. So now pip is successfully installed, pip 24 version. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it very useful. Thank you. Like and subscribe.